Hello everybody, I'm G, and welcome back to this tutorial series. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to easily add these kind of circles to your videos. Okay, to get started, you need to create a new video track above the video you want to add the circle to. And what we are going to create is we are going to create a new solid color over here. Of course, you can just create a circle inside of a program like Photoshop or even Paint. The Paint doesn't export with transparency and overlay it as an image, but I'm just going to show you how you do it inside of Vegas. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to the mask over here, and I'm going to draw a circle over here with while holding shift so that it creates a perfect circle, and I'm just going to size it about this. And now to create the inner circle, you need to duplicate the circle, place it back over here like this on top of it, and then scale it down while holding Control and Shift, of course, so that it shapes from the inside, from the middle. And now we can do it like that, and then instead of the plus sign you have to do the minus sign, and there is your circle. Let me make it a little fatter like that, and then we can go to position or circle. And what I want to do is I want to go back a few frames up until the robot appears, drag my first frame over here and go forward a little and position it so that it's around the bot. Of course, you can resize it as well by doing this so that it resizes with the robot over there, the enemy. And when we are a couple of frames further, then I want to resize it again and again and again, and that will just easily add like these points of interest circles in your videos. And that's it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. If you've got any feedback or suggestions, down below in the comment section or in the description box, you will find a link to the Discord channel. Hope to see you over there. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.